Hi guys, hi everyone, welcome. Today in the additional of today's newspaper on Friday, Friday, April the 22nd, 2022, we have here in this additional six extra puzzles. The first one is a letter Sudoku, then we have a 2-star Sudoku, a 3-star Sudoku, Tectonic with 4 stars, Tectonic with 1 star, and a binary puzzle. Those puzzles I'm not interested. So total of 6 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. It's too much for me, time consuming, so half of those puzzles I will solve. 3 of them. Those puzzles are the 3-star Sudoku, the Tectonic with 4 stars, and the binary puzzle. And the first one I will solve will be number 4447. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. If you compare, 25 printed digits. For a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. So let's get started. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6. Should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 in the last row, 2 in the row above, so that row, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9. And look, we have a 3 and a 5 in this third row, so no 3 and a 5 in this box. The 3 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9. Then. Let me see. The 9 in this row, the 9 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, no, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So last column, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see that 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. All right. Well, we have here the 6 in the first row, 6 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1 in the third row. So no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers are 1. The 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So in the first row, only place left for the 7 should be there. 1 box left in the third row. For the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. Wait. 8, 8, 8. Let me see. 1, the 2, and the 3. 1, 2, 3. Interesting. 4, 4. Let me see. 2, 2. The difficult part. Well, we have here 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes here. 2 in the last column, so no 2 in those 3 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in that column, only place left for the 2 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. So 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Right, 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6, 6, okay. 6, 6. Cannot continue with the 6. How about 4, 4, 4, 4. I'm thinking. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. We see that 1, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 3 places left for the 1 should be here, or there. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. Here 1 in the first column, so no 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be there, and all the 1s are used. I can see this is number 2, number 1. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this row, so no 8 in these 2 boxes. Here an 8 in this column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. Okay. And then 2 missing numbers in this column. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and the 7, 4 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Maybe bam. Maybe bam. 2 in this column, third column, 2 in the first column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Can I count? Yes. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 3, number 2. Then 6 in the first column, 6 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 6. 2 missing numbers in the middle row. 4 numbers are 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. 4 numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in the last column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. Okay. Let me see. 3 and 5. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5 in the third column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 8, so the 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in the third column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box will be a 4, and this box will be a 7. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be an 8. 1 box left in the last row for number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 3 in this row, 3 in the row above. So on that row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 3 in this column, 3 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 1 box left in the second column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. The 7 is missing and 8 is missing. 7 and 8, 7 and 8. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 8. It goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this middle column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. And now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 and more. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 4. Final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And before I leave, I've told you I'm interested in the center boxes of the big squares. Maybe you can see a pattern. Maybe I can see a pattern. I'm collecting those data for more than 8 weeks. After 10 weeks, I will stop and share the data with you. We have here the 843, the 625, and the 951. Here we have the 5 as a pair. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 pair. All right. Great Sudoku. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the other two puzzles left, the binary puzzle and the tectonic one. Until then, bye bye for now.